Want to start earning an extra $10,000 monthly without quitting your day job? Sounds crazy, but people are quietly doing it every day, and I'll show how you can too. You think making serious extra income requires a huge investment, skills, and experience. In reality, a handful of smart side hustles are quietly making everyday people like you a full 5-figure monthly income. Let's reveal the strategies behind these success stories. Now, I know the word freelancing might immediately make you think, I need years of experience and a fancy portfolio. But don't be intimidated. If you've got a computer and an internet connection, you've got everything you need to get started today. You hear all about high-ticket freelancing, and you may start thinking it's out of your reach. Let me assure you, it's not. All it takes is positioning yourself in the right way and targeting the businesses that value your skills. You don't need to be an expert or have years of experience. All you need to do is offer value, and they'll pay you well for it. Let me break it down for you. Think about one thing you're really good at, even if it's just a hobby or something you've done casually. It could be writing, graphic design, social media management, or even video editing. This is your starting point. Instead of offering basic gigs, position your service as a high-value solution. For example, if you're a writer, don't just say, I write articles. Reframe it as, I craft persuasive copy that boosts conversions and drives sales. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for someone who solves their problems effectively. You might not have tons of client work yet, and that's okay. Create a few sample projects or case studies that showcase your skills. A well-designed portfolio is proof of what you can deliver, even if you're just starting. Forget the $5 gigs on Fiverr. Instead, target platforms where businesses look for premium talent, like LinkedIn, specialized freelance sites, or even cold emailing potential clients. When you pitch, focus on the value you bring and how you can solve a critical problem for them. When you position yourself correctly, you can land clients who pay $2,000 to $5,000 per project. It's not about having years of experience. It's about leveraging what you already know to offer a unique solution. So, start small, build confidence, and watch your income grow. Let's look at the numbers. After Ria revamped her approach, her income didn't just increase, it skyrocketed. In just 3 months, her monthly earnings jumped from a few $100s to over $10,000. And she isn't alone. Countless freelancers who've shifted their focus to high-ticket services are experiencing a 200–300% revenue jump. This isn't just anecdotal. Real-world data and testimonials back it up. Freelancers who market themselves effectively can command fees that are 50% to 100% higher than the average. Now, it's your turn to take action. Pause this video right now and grab a pen or open a notes app on your phone. Write down one skill or passion you can offer, even if it's something you've done casually. Then, identify 3 potential companies or platforms where you could market that skill. Once you've got that, create a simple portfolio piece and head over to LinkedIn or another freelance platform and draft a compelling pitch that clearly outlines how your skill can solve a specific problem for them. Send that pitch and commit to following up. This straightforward action can be your first step toward landing high-ticket projects and eventually making an extra $10,000 a month. Now, let's level up and talk about digital products and online courses. You don't have a course to sell or a product to market, but that can't hold you back. If you've got insights, skills, or even a unique passion, you already have the raw material to create something valuable that works for you. Let me break it down for you. Think of a specific problem you've solved or a topic you're genuinely passionate about. Whether it's a hobby or a professional skill, that unique insight is your secret weapon. Once you've pinpointed your niche, shift gears and package your expertise. Instead of offering generic advice, create a focused course, ebook, or set of templates that guides people step by step through solving a particular challenge. When you deliver real value, your audience is more than willing to pay for it. You don't need fancy equipment or years of experience. Start by creating a simple version of your product. As you gather feedback, you can keep upgrading and fine-tuning it. Now that you have your product, it's time to get it in front of the right people. Use established platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even your own website to reach a global audience. These channels make it easier to market and sell your digital product, so you can focus on delivering value instead of worrying about all that. Now, here's a mind-blowing fact that really puts things into perspective. The global e-learning market is projected to exceed $400 billion by 2026. This isn't just a number. It's proof that more people than ever are searching for digital learning solutions. When you create a product that genuinely solves a problem, you're tapping into a booming market where demand is sky high and your solution could be exactly what they're looking for. And this isn't just theory. I've experienced it firsthand. When I took the leap and packaged my own expertise into a digital toolkit, I didn't wait for everything to be perfect. I launched it, and within just 1 month, I saw a significant boost in my income. It was a game changer that proved once again that taking action and delivering real value can create a steady stream of passive income. If I can do it with just a laptop and a focused idea, you absolutely can too. All right, if you think high-ticket freelancing and digital products are game changers, just wait until you hear about the third side hustle. This isn't just another income stream. It's the secret weapon for building long-term, scalable wealth. Imagine a model that leverages smart automation and systems, working 24/7 to generate income while you live your life. But here's the twist. I'm keeping the full details under wraps for now. Trust me when I say this strategy has the potential to change everything, and you won't want to miss the deep dive I've got coming up next. Now that you've seen how high-ticket freelancing, digital products, and even a secret ultimate moneymaker can transform your income, it's time to act. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video, where I'll reveal the final secret that can truly skyrocket your income.